You know, if you do something often enough, it starts to become second nature. You end up doing it without having to think about it. Even complex tasks become routine. Routine becomes habit. And before you know it, you're on autopilot, switched off to any danger. And then experiences like that stay with you. They make you think about the families whose lives are ruined, about your own family. But time passes and you think about it less and less. It slips to the back of your mind and you go back to the old routine, old habits. And then you begin to wonder how many more times it has to happen before you realize we can never switch off. Saipem's life-saving rules were introduced to help us all stick to the safe way of doing things, our last line of defense in protecting ourselves. Following the rules has allowed us to make great improvements in safety over the years, and now it's time to refresh and simplify them. And more importantly, to ensure that they are applied, whatever we're doing, whenever we're doing it. Everyone can use this card, confirming together the rules are being applied, or stopping work if they are not, or if things become unsafe. We need to use it like a pilot uses a checklist on a plane before takeoff. They perform pre-flight inspections and run through a checklist every time before they fly, no matter how experienced they are or how often they've done it in the past. And they have the authority to stop a flight if anything is wrong. Imagine how you'd feel if they didn't bother. If they rely on the fact that they've done it hundreds of times before and everything had checked out in the past. Would you and your family want to get on that plane? Well, we shouldn't want to start work either. Why shouldn't we apply the same safety criteria as pilots, air traffic controllers, and aircraft technicians? Why wouldn't our safety rules and procedures be ingrained into our routine like it is theirs? We've got procedures that tell us how things need to be done. We've got equipment that's designed to protect us. And now we've got the 9 life-saving rules to keep us focused on the most critical dangers and to stop us taking risks. And a system for making sure that everyone understands and is ready to start work. And every single one of us, no matter our job or seniority, has got the authority and mandate to speak up when something's not right or unsafe. If these weren't just things we know we ought to do, but were thought of as part of the job, they became habits ingrained in the way we collectively do things. Well, it would mean that both challenging and routine work don't have to be unsafe. And it means we make sure everyone goes home safe. Every day.